Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. We shall be pure. February 25th. Promises to all who keep God's law of love. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Exodus chapter 20, verse 14. This commandment forbids not only acts of impurity, but sensual thoughts and desires, or any practice that tends to excite them. Purity is demanded not only in the outward life, but in the secret intents and emotions of the heart. Christ, who taught the far-reaching obligation of the law of God, declares the evil thought or look to be as truly sin as it is the unlawful deed. When the thought of evil is loved and cherished, however secretly, said Jesus, it shows that sin reigns in the heart. The soul is still in the gall and bitterness and in the bonds of iniquity. He who finds pleasure in dwelling upon scenes of impurity, who indulges in evil thought, the lustful look, may behold in the open sin, with its burdens of shame and heartbreaking grief, the true nature of evil which he has hidden in the chambers of the soul. The season of temptation under which it may be one falls into grievous sin does not create the evil that is revealed, but only develops or makes manifest that which was hidden and latent in the heart. As a man thinketh, so is he. For out of the heart are the issues of life. The heart in which Christ dwells will be so filled, so satisfied with his love, that it will not be consumed with the longing to attract sympathy and attention to itself. And through the surrender of the soul to God, his wisdom can accomplish what human wisdom fails to do. So long as life shall last, there will be need of guarding affections and passions with a firm purpose. Not one moment can be secure except as we rely upon God, the life hidden with Christ. The nearer we live to Jesus, the more will we partake of his pure and holy character, and the more offensive sin appears to us, the more exalted and desirable will appear the purity and brightness of Christ. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.